Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. How to see viewed your Facebook profile. Most view. Okay, let's start. First type www.facebook.com on your favorite browser and click enter. In Facebook login, type your email or phone number and the password of your account and click login. In your Facebook home page, click the profile image above. In your profile Facebook page, go to left or right side on blank page and right-click the mouse and select View Page Source. Open a new folder and you will see 100 or 1000 of words and number. Scroll down and find the initial cat friends list. In below this you see some ID number of your friend. For you to quickly get, you can press Ctrl+F and type initial cat friends list. Copy the first one of ID number on list. This ID number is the friend with the most viewed on your Facebook profile. Create new tab and type www.facebook.com/ and paste the ID number of your friend and click enter. Now you see your Facebook friend with most viewed on your Facebook profile page. Thanks to watch my video. Visit my playlist and don't forget to watch my latest video. Visit my website for more tutorials like this. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Thanks.